Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will give you a tutorial regarding how to create a golden text in simple 2 steps. So let's begin the tutorial. This is the new layout. I need to unlock the background by double left click and press the button OK. Now my background layer is unlocked. The next step is to apply some effects in this background layer. So I will go to effects and click on gradient overlay. Blend mode will be normal, opacity is 100. Style, I will select radial. Then I will click on this and select this color to be light gray and this color to be black. Now I can increase the scale depending on the requirement, and I have put the value 130. The next step is to create the text. So I will write the word golden, Golden. Now I will press the button Ctrl T to resize my text, and this size is okay. Just to make it interesting, I will write this O and L in small letter and E N in small letter. The next step is I need to apply bevel and emboss to this text. Style, I will go for inner bevel. Technique, I will keep it smooth, and depth I will go for 580. Direction will be up. Size, it will go to 8, and soften will be 0. Angle, I will go for 85. This global light should be unchecked. I will put the value 85 and 26. Altitude will be 26. Gloss contour, I will go for ring double. So automatically I got the golden text. Now I need to adjust the size and the depth. I kept the depth 320, but still I need to reduce the size by 1 point. Okay, now I have kept the size 8 and press the button OK. So this is the golden text I got after applying bevel and emboss. Just to make it interesting, I will duplicate this text layer and go to edit, transform, flip vertical. So I am getting a reflection, and I will reduce the opacity to somewhat 50. Now this is complete. So this is how you create a golden text in Adobe Photoshop in simple 2 steps. Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please like it, share it and subscribe it.